If you are working online, receiving your earnings from freelance platforms, buying products and services from global websites, or even sending and receiving money between individuals and companies worldwide, you will often encounter a name that comes up everywhere: PayPal. However, despite the platform's fame, many users still encounter numerous issues during account creation, such as bank card rejection, requests for identity verification, account limitations, inability to receive funds, or unexpected account closure. And that's why we decided to launch a comprehensive educational series about PayPal, guiding you from square one to mastery, step by step, in a practical, simplified way that's perfect for beginners. In this video, we'll learn what PayPal is and how it functions, the various account types, how to properly create a new account, how to link your bank card, how to activate your account, how to steer clear of limitations and common issues, and the most crucial tips you should be aware of before using PayPal. Therefore, we highly advise you to watch this video all the way through, as some of the key information we're about to provide could genuinely save you from encountering numerous issues in the future. PayPal is one of the most famous electronic payment systems in the world. It was established to facilitate the secure and swift sending and receiving of money online, eliminating the need to share your bank card details with every website you interact with. You can link your card to your PayPal account and then use PayPal as a secure payment intermediary. This gives you an extra layer of protection when you shop or send money. Currently, PayPal is used by hundreds of millions of people around the globe, and it's trusted by thousands of companies, online stores, and freelance platforms. You might be wondering why we even need PayPal. There are numerous reasons: purchasing from international stores, receiving earnings from various freelance platforms, obtaining financial transfers from clients, sending money to friends or family members, utilizing PayPal's buyer protection system, and connecting your account to a multitude of electronic services and platforms. Before creating an account, you should know that PayPal offers two main types of accounts: a personal account and a business account. A personal account typically suits most users. If you plan to shop online, receive occasional personal payments, or engage in basic freelance work, a personal account will be sufficient. The business account, on the other hand, is designed for companies, stores, and entrepreneurs who receive a large number of payments on a regular basis. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a personal account. Before you begin, you must have the following available: a valid email address, a real and active phone number, a bank card or Visa or MasterCard that can be used online, an official identity document, and a real and correct address. And all of the data entered must be consistent. This point is extremely important since most PPAY-PAL problems originate from entering incorrect information. Open your browser, go to the official PayPal website, and click the Sign Up button. A page will appear asking you to choose your account type. If you want a personal account, you should choose Personal Account. However, if you own a company or an online store, then choose a business account. For the majority of viewers, we will be selecting the personal account. After that, click Get Started. The site will ask you to enter your email address. Please enter an email address you haven't used with PayPal previously, then click Next. Next, you'll be prompted to provide your phone number. Make sure to enter your actual number, as PayPal will send a verification code to confirm its ownership. After phone number confirmation, you'll create a strong password. We recommend using a long password with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Then, just click on Next. Now, PayPal will request your personal information. Choose the correct nationality, then enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your passport or ID card. And make sure not to use any nicknames or abbreviations. After that, enter your ID number or the information required for your country, then enter your real date of birth. Then click Next. Now you'll be taken to the address page. Enter your real address in detail: the city, postal code, region, and country. After confirming that all the data is correct, simply click Agree and Create Account. And with that, your PayPal account will be successfully established. Right after creating the account, you'll receive an email from PayPal. Open the message, click the confirmation link, and then log in. This action will verify your email and link it to your account. After creating your account, you'll see a page to link your card. Click Link a Card, then enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code from the back. Then click Link Card. PayPal might perform a small verification transaction to make sure the card is valid. Once that's successful, the card will be linked to your account. If you receive a message indicating the card wasn't accepted, it might be due to several factors. The card may not support online purchases, it could be expired, there might be insufficient funds, the card could be linked to another PayPal account, or your bank may have blocked international transactions. In that case, contact your bank to make sure electronic and international payments are enabled. In some cases, PayPal may request identity verification documents, such as an ID, passport, driver's license, or proof of address. When you upload documents, make sure the image is clear, all corners are visible, nothing is cropped or edited, and the name matches your account details. This is the most important point in the video: how to avoid account limitation. Don't create multiple personal accounts using the same data. Avoid fake names. Don't receive large sums immediately after setup. Don't use a VPN during registration. Don't link cards you don't own. Don't open false disputes. And never attempt to bypass PayPal's policies. By following these simple guidelines, you can greatly reduce the likelihood of your account being restricted. So in this lesson, we've learned how to create a PayPal account from scratch, activate it, link a bank card, and verify your identity, along with key tips to avoid problems and limitations.